Join me as I dive into the world of reselling software and challenge myself to make big money in 2025. Reselling software has the potential to be extremely profitable, and I'm excited to explore this opportunity with you. With the right strategy and mindset, you can earn significant income by reselling software, and I'm going to share my insights with you. Many people are skeptical about reselling software because they think it's too competitive, or that they need to be tech savvy to succeed. Some believe that finding the right products to resell is a daunting task, while others are concerned about the legal implications of reselling software. These misconceptions can be daunting, but they shouldn't hold you back from exploring this opportunity. Reselling software can be a lucrative business, and with the right approach, you can overcome these challenges. People often struggle to find the right products to resell. This can be a major hurdle. They may not know where to look or how to identify in-demand software. This lack of knowledge can lead to frustration and disappointment, causing many to give up on their reselling endeavors. Finding the right products is crucial to success, and I'll share some tips on how to do this effectively. Competition is another challenge that people face when reselling software. With so many others selling the same products, it can be tough to stand out and attract customers. This competition can be intimidating, but it's not insurmountable. By developing a solid strategy and building a strong online presence, you can differentiate yourself from the competition and succeed. There are many types of software that can be resold, including licenses, subscriptions, and digital products. Licenses are a popular choice, as they can be resold multiple times, providing a steady stream of income. Subscriptions offer a recurring revenue stream, while digital products can be sold repeatedly without incurring additional costs. Sourcing these products effectively is key to success, and I'll share some tips on how to find the best products to resell. To source software effectively, you need to research the market and identify in-demand products. Look for products with a strong track record of sales and a solid reputation. You can also reach out to software developers and negotiate deals to resell their products. Building relationships with developers can be beneficial, as it can provide access to exclusive products and better pricing. Leveraging affiliate marketing can significantly boost profitability in software reselling. By promoting products from established companies, you can earn commissions on sales without having to handle customer support or product development. This can be a lucrative stream of income, and I'll share some tips on how to get started with affiliate marketing. Building a strong online presence is also crucial, as it can help you reach a wider audience and attract more customers. Having a strong online presence can help you build trust with potential customers and establish yourself as an authority in the software reselling niche. This can be achieved by creating a professional website, engaging with customers on social media, and producing high-quality content. By building a strong online presence, you can increase your chances of success and attract more customers to your business. Reselling software can be a lucrative business, and with the right strategy and mindset, you can earn significant income. Remember to research the market, identify in-demand products, and build a strong online presence to succeed in this niche. Thanks for watching. If you've had any experience reselling software, please share your stories in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips, and check out my other video on digital marketing strategies.